Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a ChatGPT search option to Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. So that way if you want to do a search using ChatGPT, you could do it right from your search box here rather than having to go to the ChatGPT website first. Alright, so we're going to show you the steps for each one. So it's going to be different depending on which browser you're using. And then I'll put some notes in the description to kind of help you get along here in case it was a little bit hard to follow. Alright, so we'll start with Google Chrome here. So go to the settings from the three dots. Then we want to go to search engine. And then we want to go to manage search engines and site search. Alright, so here are your default search engines that you could choose from. And then you have your site search. So right now you can see there's already one for Gemini because that's owned by Google, so they add one to it automatically. So we're going to add a new one here. We'll call this ChatGPT. You can call this whatever you want. And then we need a shortcut, so we'll put in @ChatGPT because this is what you're going to have to type to start the search. And then we need to add this URL right here, which I'll put in the description as well, to start the search. And then we'll click on Add. Alright, so now we have it listed here. So now if we open up a new tab and we start our search by typing in @ChatGPT, you can see it tries to do it with Gemini here. And then we'll go Alright, so search ChatGPT, how to make chocolate chip cookies. Alright, so now you can see it does the search right from ChatGPT and gives you the results. Alright, so that's how you do it for Chrome. So now let's go to Edge. Go to the options here as well, or the settings I should say. Right now we want to go to Privacy, Search, and Services. We're going to have to scroll down here. Alright, so here we want to go address bar and search. So you have to kind of scroll down to the bottom. Click on the little arrow here. And then we want to click on Manage Search Engines. Now you can see we have some similar results here. So we just need to add it again. Call this ChatGPT. Same @ChatGPT. Then paste that same address in there. Click on Add. Alright, so now if we go here, we'll do @ChatGPT again. Right, you can see we have the same results. Alright, so now we're going to go to Firefox. Alright, so here it's going to be quite a bit different. So in the address bar, we just need to do an about config, press enter, and then accept the risk and continue. And then in the search box here, we need to type this in, and then click on the plus next to it to add it. Alright, so now we need to go to the settings here and click on search. Scroll down to search shortcuts. Alright, click on add. Okay, we'll call this ChatGPT again. Alright, paste in this URL once again here. Put in the same alias, so @ChatGPT. Click on add engine. Now you can see we have it in our list here along with some other ones that Firefox provides. So we'll do it again here. So @ChatGPT. Do a tab to complete it there. Type in the same thing. Press enter. And then we get our results once again. Alright, so as you can see, the process varies depending on which browser you're using. Chrome and Edge are pretty similar, but Firefox, you need to do that extra step. All right, so I will put this information in the description, and then you can try it out for your favorite browser and see how it works for you. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.